question. And that's the biggest one question. And 1, 2. You ready? Go. And basic starter. What is wrong again? Don't get away. Push the starter out. Don't get around.
Hey, it's not done yet.
I'll sing the Itsy Bitsy Spider for you. The Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the spout again.
Now you sing together.
Wait, ready? The Itsy Bitsy... No, I have to sing with you.
Yeah, sing together.
Cool.
Tata, go.
A Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and the washing spider out. Down came the sun and now the down.
Face me this way. Okay, sing.
The Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Down came the sun and dried it all away. And the Itsy Bitsy Spider smelled the water again.
Very good. Give a big hand to yourself.
Or give a pat on the back.
I'll pat in the back.
I'm gonna be singing a song and it's gonna be called Twinkle Little Star.
Okay, go for it.
Twinkle, twinkle, and a diamond. How I wonder how you grow. Papa?
Okay, sing together. Together.
No, I want to sing my song. You didn't get
Oh,
it finished.
okay, done. Let Peter sing first. Oh, then you go sing. Go ahead.
Bella. My turn. Again. I busy on one faster base. And I'm a busy strider on the water down. And came the sun. I turned and I'm and a busy strider. I want to die. I was gonna finish my song. Say Jingle Bell! Jingle Bell!
Hmm?
I get to sing a song that's called Twinkle Twinkle. Twinkle Little Star! Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. How I wonder how much you grow. How much gallons can you drink? When I see your face it's cute. When I see my face it's cute. When I drink my water it's cute.
John, why don't you let Peter sing first? She's not done yet.
Stop doing at me!
Okay, you don't play with the microphone. Just sing. Just sing. See now Peter is getting mad. She went downstairs now. See what you did? See what you did? Bye now. Bye. Bye.